Claude Routines, new 24/7 AI autonomous agents. Claude Routines are here, and they just changed everything. AI can now work while you sleep, while you eat, while you do literally nothing. This is not a small update. This is the biggest thing to happen to AI automation all year. Claude Routines run 24/7 in the cloud. No laptop needed, no you needed. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how they work, what they can do, and why the people who set these up early are going to have a massive advantage over everyone else. Stay with me, because this one is big. Here's what most people don't understand about AI tools right now. They think AI is a helper, something you open, type into, get an answer, close. That's old AI. That's last year's thinking. Claude Routines. It's a totally different game. Routine is not something you run. It's something that runs itself. You set it up once, and then it just goes forever on its own, in the cloud, without you touching anything. Think about that for a second. You build a routine today. And tomorrow, while you're having breakfast, or on a call, or flat out asleep, Claude is already working, already doing the job, already completing tasks that used to need you sitting at a laptop. That is the shift, from AI helper to AI worker. And if you don't understand why that's massive, let me break it down even more simply. Before Claude Routines, AI needed you to drive every single time. You had to show up, open the tool, type the prompt, wait for the answer, do something with it. Every step needed a human. That human was you. Now, you set the instructions once. Claude handles the rest, automatically, repeatedly, without asking you for permission every time. It's not just a feature update. It's a completely different way of working with AI. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian reads every single comment, so drop one below and let him know you're watching. So let's get into exactly what a Claude routine actually is, because I want you to really understand the mechanics here. A routine is made up of 4 things. First, prompt. That's the brain of the whole thing. It's your instructions. What do you want Claude to do when it runs? You write that once, clearly, and Claude follows it every single time. Second, repositories. These are the files and code bases that Claude can read and change. So if you want Claude to check your code, update something, or open a pull request, it has access to do all of that. Third, connectors. This is how Claude plugs into your tools and platforms. Things like GitHub, Slack, external APIs. You connect them once and Claude can interact with all of them as part of the routine. Fourth, a trigger. This is what starts the whole thing. And there are 3 types of triggers, which I'm going to explain in detail in just a second because they're really important. Put those 4 things together, prompt, repositories, connectors, trigger, and you've got a Claude routine, a full Claude code session that fires automatically in the cloud on Anthropic's own infrastructure. Not your machine, their cloud. So your laptop can be completely off, your terminal can be closed, and the routine is still running, still executing, still doing real work. That's the 24/7 part. That's the game changer. Now let me explain the 3 trigger types, because this is where it gets really interesting. Trigger 1, schedule. This is like setting an alarm clock for your AI. You tell it, run every hour, or every morning at 9 a.m., or every Monday, or once a week. It just does it every single time without fail. No reminders, no manual start. It just runs on the schedule you set. This is perfect for things like daily reports, weekly summaries, regular code checks, anything that needs to happen on a consistent basis, but doesn't need you there to make it happen. Trigger 2, API. This means another system or tool can fire off the routine automatically. So when something happens in your tech stack, an event, a data change, anything, it sends a signal and Claude jumps in and does the work. No human in the middle, no delay, just immediate action. This is powerful for building automated pipelines, where one thing triggers another, and Claude is one of the steps in the chain. Trigger 3, GitHub events. This one is massive for anyone working with code. You set up the routine to watch your repo, and whenever something happens, a pull request, a new commit, a merge, a branch update, Claude automatically kicks in. It can review the code, flag issues, suggest fixes, open its own PR, whatever your instructions say. Imagine never having to manually kick off a code review again. It just happens every time someone pushes code. That's what this trigger makes possible.